In today's lesson, we will go through how to make question sentence using どこ, which means where, and how we ask this question in different ways. Are you ready? Let's get started! Learn with us at Japanese Journey. 皆さん、こんにちは。このチャンネルでは日本語の勉強をしている皆さんに無料で日本語のレッスンを公開しています。Hi everyone, welcome to the Japanese Journey channel. In this channel, we provide free Japanese lessons for all Japanese language learners. How do we ask, where is this in Japanese? In Japanese, どこ means where. Repeat after me. どこ、どこ and それ as what we learned in the previous lesson means it. Using the structure of それは何ですか that we learned in the previous lesson, you change 何 to どこ and you get それはどこですかそれはどこですか Let's look at some examples. Suppose you are having a conversation with your Japanese friend. You want to ask, where's your home? In Japanese, home is 家 and you is あなた. To convert you into your, add の behind あなた. So you get あなたの家。あなたの家はどこですかあなたの家はどこですか By using this question structure, you can also ask, where is your hometown? Hometown in Japanese is 出身地。Again, change それ to あなたの出身地 and it becomes あなたの出身地はどこですかあなたの出身地はどこですか Another example is, where's your workplace? Workplace in Japanese is 職場。So, where is your workplace is? あなたの職場はどこですかあなたの職場はどこですか For the first question, where is your home? Do you remember this in Japanese? あなたの家はどこですかあなたの家はどこですか To answer, change the question sentence into A は B です form. In this case, change あなた to 私 which means I and change どこ to your location. So you get 私の家はシドニーです。私の家はシドニーです。Let's practice reading the other two examples. Repeat after me. あなたの出身地はどこですかあなたの出身地はどこですか私の出身地はジャカルタです。私の出身地はジャカルタです。Repeat after me. あなたの職場はどこですかあなたの職場はどこですか私の職場は東京です。私の職場は東京です。Alright, 皆さん。Thank you for staying till the end. Let's do some practice. How do you ask, where is your school? In the previous lesson, we learned that your is あなたの and school is 学校。So the answer will be あなたの学校はどこですか？あなたの学校はどこですか？皆さん、I would like you to write your answer to this question in the comment section below. Where's your school? Let me know. If you have made it this far, great job! I hope you were able to understand the question sentence using どこ. Remember to practice what you have learned in your daily life. In the next lesson, we will learn other useful forms for the basic communication. See you soon! またね